Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we will show you how to register a new Exness account with a personal area, and how to open new trading accounts. To begin, visit our website and click on Register. Enter your country of residence. This cannot be changed and impacts which payment systems are available in your personal area. Enter the email address you want to register this personal area to. Create a password, following the special requirements. The password must be 8 to 15 characters long, include uppercase and lowercase letters, and include a combination on numbers and characters. Trading account passwords must contain one of these special characters. You will use this email and password to access your personal area. If you have a partner code, there's an optional step here to enter it and link your account to the Exness Partnership Program. Entering an incorrect partner code will clear the entry field so that you can try again. You must also tick the box to declare and confirm you are not a citizen or resident of the US. Click Continue, and you will be taken to the personal area or the partner's personal area. Now let's look at how to create more trading accounts in your new personal area. Click Open New Account from the My Accounts area. The MT5 account options will be displayed by default, but you can click here to choose MT4. Click Continue once you have made your selection. Complete the fields with the leverage, currency, account nickname, and create a password. Click Create an account to continue. You can open a demo account to try virtual trading. A sum of $10,000 is automatically credited to your demo account. To make a deposit, complete the verification steps. When the documents are approved, the personal area will show that the account is complete. You can now deposit and withdraw using your account. Thank you for choosing Exness. Today we are going to show you how to fully verify your Exness account with desktop browsers. To begin, log into your personal area on our website or click Create an account. A real and demo account is automatically created in your personal area. To make a deposit, click Complete Profile at the top of your personal area. A page will display the steps to verify your account. Click Get Started now to proceed. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email and click Continue. If you didn't receive a verification code, click Resend Code. Next, click Confirm Phone to verify your phone number. Enter the phone number to be registered to the account. Choose the option to receive a code through SMS or call, then click Continue. Enter the 6-digit verification code and click Continue. If you didn't receive a verification code, click Resend Code. Click Complete now to add your profile information. Fill in the form with your first name, last name, gender, date of birth, and residential address. Then click Continue. Answer the questions to complete the profile information, then click Continue. You can now make a deposit of up to $2,000. To complete your account verification, click Verify Identity now. Next, complete the document verification. Enter your name and click Upload Documents. Fill in the form and upload photos of your document. Click Submit Document to continue. Your identity documents will be reviewed. When the documents are approved, you can verify your address. Click Complete Profile to verify your proof of residence. Upload a photo of your document to verify your address, then click Submit Document. Your address verification documents will be reviewed. Once the documents are approved, the personal area will show that the account is complete. Congratulations, you've followed all the steps to fully verify your Exness account. Thank you for choosing Exness.